I forgot to go over the paperwork and manuals, invoices, and service records on the 750 Dozer. Let's do that now. This is the owner's manual, perfect condition. The technical manual, original John Deere technical manuals, no grease stains or nothing, just mint shape. The Dozer comes with the full service records. I'll go over, there's quite a few invoices, so bear with me. As far as the proof of ownership, it's an off-road vehicle. There's no title. There's a notarized bill of sale from Miller Roads. They're the ones that handled the sale of the Dozer from the Polk County municipality, which is where it originally was sold to, brand new. And then the bill of sale from James Dunn to me, which is notarized. So we would provide a notarized bill of sale. That's how we do all of the heavy equipment we sold, all of the Bobcats, and my cat skid steer, and my John Deere 350 Dozer. So this is a hour certification showing that the machine had 3,188 hours on it the year that I bought it. That's a full provenance of the machine. Polk County bought it new. It sold to James Dunn, then it sold to me. As far as the service records go, here's the stuff we've done while we've owned it. Batteries, of course, oil changes, regular oil change records. We've got all the records on all that written down here. This got a little stain in it, but AC filters. Here's a repair invoice from Jack's Equipment for $1,265. Here's another one, replacing the needle bearings and shafts on the throttle. Receipts from Lomac to the John Deere dealer for all the parts they put into it over the time we've owned it. So I've got all this, about $3,000 in parts receipts, new seat kit, wiper blades, grater blade, solenoid, other miscellaneous thing, hoses, switches. All of the hydraulic hoses have been replaced on it at one point, or the other since I got it. This is the graphic kit. I've got a full graphic kit. I was going to paint it. I never put that on. That comes with it. If you want to paint it, you get to paint it for about $3,000. I think the graphics kit was expensive. It was like $300. I got all the stickers for it. That comes with it. Again, it fires right up, runs perfect as I demonstrated in the video. It's got a new turbo on it, new exhaust, just on and on and on with the paperwork here. Maintenance records. Anthony's Equipment Repair has been doing all the maintenance on the machine the entire time I've had it. So pretty much everything's here since I've owned it. This is the transport company that bought it out here to us, Warm Coat Transport. Let's see, some more previous service invoices. And here's the stuff from Polk County, the Polk County shop. It was a county-owned machine. They bought it brand new. And this is the service records they provided for us. They were obviously on a regular oil change and service interval on it. So there you have it. So it will come with the notarized bill of sale and the full service records and the manuals. It just keeps going here. There's full service records on the machine. So they also some type of an oil scan program they did, and it's a brochure on the new one. So the new ones. That's about it. Everything's covered in this video that I have for documentation. And again, here's the original bill of sale from Polk County to James Dunn, and then James to me, notarized. I'll provide a notarized bill of sale. That's what I got when I got it, and that's what it's going to get when I sell it. So if you have any questions, give me a call. God bless America.